Hey, I'm Rachel and Ngom from she'smakingimpact.com. Today I'm answering your questions. So this question, how do I organize my thoughts into clear, concise posts? I'm assuming you're talking about blog posts, and I actually have pulled up here. It's kind of like my blog post skeleton, if you will. So in the things I teach within my mini course, Creating Killer Content, we teach you how to come up with a killer headline and your main keyword that you're going to use within that blog post. So I already have that set up. I know what my title is. I know what my keyword is. And then I break it up into this post specifically is going to be 5 things you must do before pinning on Pinterest. And so then after I have my title, I have my keyword, I break it up into those 5 things. And so step number 1 is make sure your content is quality. And so I break it up into those steps. And then, so I have that whole basic skeleton is done. It's basically like all 5 steps, right? So my thoughts are already pretty much organized within those steps. And then all I need to do when I'm ready to sit down and write it is sit down and fill in the steps of, okay, now what do you need to do to accomplish step number 1, step number 2, that kind of thing. So create like a mini outline for yourself. And then when you go to actually write the post, it's going to flow so much better and so much smoother. Just know though, I am not a great writer by any means. I just think back to like my high school English teacher. She hated me, by the way. I've never been like a good academic quality writer. I have my master's in social work, but it was a struggle turning in all of those essays, let me tell you. So the biggest thing is just organize your thoughts so it kind of flows, but then be yourself and have it your goal to add massive value. You don't have to be perfect. You don't. Trust me, I am not. Just add massive value and it'll come through in your posts if you always make that your goal and your intention. So I hope you found that helpful. Head to she'smakingimpact.com. Make sure to register for my free Pinterest class and I'll see you later.